I'm not lying when I say your taste buds are about to go crazy over this quick sausage stir fry. Come, let's prepare a stir fry sausage vegetable. For our ingredients, you're going to have garlic, onions, carrots, zucchini, and bell pepper. And of course, the sausages as our main course. For the sausages, you're going to slice them into 2 pieces, then make some small cuts so that the ingredients can marinate in well. In our saucepan, add a little oil and in goes our garlic. Saute the garlic for about 3 minutes until fragrant. In goes our onions. Saute until translucent. After that, in goes our sausages. Stir fry for 5 minutes until golden brown. Meanwhile, sauce check. Dark soy sauce, a little oil, some water, cornstarch and black pepper to wake it up. Shake it, mix it, no measurement, just confidence. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe. Here goes our carrots for the crunchiness, the bell peppers and the zucchini. For them, we're going to let them cook for about a few minutes so that we may sustain the crunchiness. Lastly, the sauce, put that in and watch the magic happen. Everything coming together like it was meant to be. Letting the ingredients simmer until they create a perfect combination. Final touches, sesame seeds on the top. And yeah, serve it with rice, for breakfast, for brunch, whenever. No rules, just vibes, and trust me, it hits every time. Don't forget to like, share, and finally subscribe. See you in the next video.